After creating your account and enabling two-factor authentication, you will be able to create and manage your APIs. Start by logging into your Kraken account. On your homepage, click on the profile icon, then select Security. At the bottom of the page, click on Create API Key. To continue the process, go to Kraken Pro. Once redirected, click again on Create API Key. Start by naming your API key. Choose the desired options. For this example, select Query, all the orders and trades options, and Query ledger entries. You can restrict the API to trusted IPs. Although not mandatory, this step is recommended to enhance security. The C-Node IP addresses for using the automated fintech solution are available in the description. Click on Generate Key and complete the security verification with your Google Authenticator code. Note that your API key and secret key are only visible at this moment. Ensure to copy them and store them in a safe place, such as a notepad or in your C-Node profile. Congratulations, you have created and managed your API key. You can modify or delete it later if necessary.